So we have the Timeplast programmable matter filament, plastic free, so it doesn't even come in a vacuum sealed bag. And so we have to heat it up, dry it out. And I'm gonna heat it up in my Sunlu heater for like 12 hours. What are we gonna make? Alright, so I got Timeplast's photovoltaic filament loaded in. This stuff is super rubbery. Way more than your typical TPU, like your 90 or 95A. So we got it loaded in. I used their settings and got it into the P1S. Got her in there. Let's see if we can burn some up. Alright, solar panel G-code, 3 hours, 40 minutes, 112 grams. They only send 300 and something grams, so good luck. First attempt failed. The auxiliary fan was on like full blast according to their settings, and it was like blowing around. I even used glue stick to hold it down. Take two.